Welcome guys, Four Kings Lawn Care. I'm going to start with this bed. He had some boxwoods about right here that didn't make it. They just dried out, dead. It's been a typical problem, a lot of properties. So we had some other plants in this area. We pulled them out, planted all those guys. That was our first time we planted. Didn't charge him anything, just got a little experience. He went ahead and gave us a little extra for it, which we didn't ask for it, so that's always a nice gesture. So we did this. We edged the whole thing. So did that. We edged this. And he said, watch out for my whatever you call that, coax cable. We pulled it up, edged it, didn't even hit it, and then I guess I hit it with a shovel. So terrible fail on my end, but here it is. We edged it, very nice looking. Put that back in with the plants. You know, the best technique is fill your 5-gallon bucket up and dump it around these plants. Smooth it out with your hands. Keep doing that. Man, it just looks so good, and we do not have to rake it out. So there's that. We have this one. We edged it. My son, he said he found a new technique. Takes his hard rake and presses it down underneath the edge so it creates a lip, and gotta give it to him. Looks pretty good. He also did this one. So we did this job. Actually I did the weeding by myself, most of it. Did the front yard, a lot of weeding. Hot. Did it Friday. It was very hot. And we got back to it Monday and had some extra help, and we finished weeding, planted, got the mulch in today. You know, we didn't waste any time today. We worked a little extra. We just like to get it done. Mind working extra if we're going to benefit from it. You know? I'm losing my gloves. We edged this. Edging on a hill is kind of difficult because it digs in deeper and it falls along the hill. But this was very, very clean. Not very many weeds. We did rake out the old mulch. And we did this. Very clean looking. Actually, the other boys did this. It wasn't me. We have down by the road. Don't look like a lot, but man, it came out to be 13 yards, and it took us 3 days to do this. And we did time management to the T, and it always helps us out. It's time management's everything. You work extra hour past your lunch to finish a job or run out of mulch, that's worth it. Then you get your lunch, come back and put some more time in, and you've got like a day and a half already put in. But there's my other glove. This one's kind of scaring me because it was covered in grass and weeds, and we pulled it out. Came back 3 days later to put mulch down, and it's already grown back. So we pulled them out, man. It's just hopefully it stays gone. But the customer went ahead and paid us. He's gone, and we've had a lot of business that way, and we don't want to abuse that. And we do a final walkthrough. Recording really helps out, so I notice things. But yeah, this is probably going to wrap up our landscaping for the year. It's early June. We already have a drought for the grass, and it's just nice to have this job and whatever else comes next. Thanks for watching. God bless you.